So this is my bedroom. This is the hallway. It's a really narrow hallway with ornamented lights. So if you enter my bedroom, this is the bathroom. It's kind of small, but I like it. It's just enough. It's really good. I have like a phone holder that I always put in the shower so that I can watch YouTube and bathe at the same time. Sometimes I answer phone calls, and also like there's like a speaker where I can listen to music when I like. And yeah, and this is the bedroom. When I first came in, this bedroom had it didn't come with a sofa or like this cabinet. It also didn't came with this air conditioning. So this is my desk. This is what my desk looks like. And this is the bed. But because we're currently in the summer and it's really warm, so I decided to move the. I have a second mattress. So I decided to move to sleeping on the floor because it's much more cooler. I also got like the sofa, which I'll give it to my friend once I move out. And this is my setup. I brought the monitor from Germany when I came over to Belgium, and then it also there's like this mini fridge which came with the student dorm. The reason because like so the thing about this apartment is that um on the first and second floor there's student dorms, but on the third or fourth floor there are hotels. And basically, to my knowledge, every room looks the same, and every room has a mini fridge, like a mini bar, just like in any typical hotel guest room. I wasn't a big fan of climbing up to the bed every time, but I got used to it. And the thing about this was that it it was hurting my feet, so I used to climb with sandals on, and it was sometimes the sandals fall off from the top of the bed and it got problematic. So instead, what I did was that I attached this thing where it makes it much more comfortable to climb up, and it's so easy to climb up right now. It doesn't hurt my feet anymore. What I really like about this bed is that it's mounted onto the wall, and because it's mounted on, it means it's really solid. You know, it's not like one of those bunk bed where it's just there and then it vibrates, and every time you go up and down, it feels like a badly constructed towel or something. And it comes with these two cabinets, but this cabinet is really not enough. It's really small. This is the only one you have for wardrobe. I'm not gonna open it. This one I have for my stuff, like my camera equipment and some bicycle equipment and some medication. I got this from IKEA. I'm selling this for like $30. I haven't found a seller yet. So yeah, to me this was really necessary. It was really necessary because you know that with this you can keep all your stuff. With that cabinet alone, probably you store like a few jackets and then it's completely finished. You don't have space anymore. I got this fan for €15. It was a really shitty fan. I got it from Action. And then I had this in the office, but I'm moving out from next week will be my last day in the company, so I brought the fan back home. I got an air conditioning because the heat was too much. It was really too much. I bought so many fans and yet it sucks. So I eventually got an air conditioning, which I'm gonna return back to Amazon once I leave because I'm gonna leave in like a few weeks. So yeah.